I assume it's much like Ferris Bueller in terms of its pronunciation, but it's got an umlaut there, so it's Bueller. I just purchased way too much cheese. 360 videos, 365 days a year. Hey, that might be a new tagline. Tune in tomorrow, see if it is. Good afternoon. Welcome to Swiss Cheese Trails in the town of Appenzell. We've just entered kind of the older area. Wow. Looks pretty nice so far. Let's get around this bend here. Better viewing now. Nice river. Let's see if we can get around this sign here. Really very nice. Beautiful town. Across the street here and I'll turn her off. Alright, I'll turn it on again in a little bit. Hope you're enjoying as much as I am. Look at that building over there. I mean, all these buildings, beautiful painted murals. All right, pause and spin around. Look at how beautiful this woodwork is. I just went down some back alley. And I'm glad I did because there's a Casa Shop right here. So I'm gonna go into the Casa Shop as soon as I come around the corner here. Oh, it just never ends. What a great looking town. How much fun is this in the summer? All right, well, I just purchased way too much cheese. I got, I don't know, five different hunks. Got a cheese that was, two cheeses that were 12 months old, and one that was, it may be the strongest cheese that I've ever had in here in Switzerland. It was big time. No fondue, but I got a lot of good slicing cheese, and I got a St. Gallen bratwurst. The St. Gallen brats are the best brats in the country, so that's something to look out for. Forgot to mention that. That's where I was. I was way up there. If you spin around behind, came over that ridge. What else did I get? I got well, it's clear I'm going to have a cheese tasting. So I actually got a Jaeger, one of those beef sticks. I forget what they're called, but I got one of those to have with Joe, my butcher. And there was something else I got. Oh, I got some mustard. And it was from Asher. So it's you know, it's not from Asher, but it's the Asher label for mustard. I'm a big fan of mustards, so that was kind of fun. And now I'm heading over to find the brewery shop. Going back where I came. Well, I found the Appenzeller beer factory. I think the tasting room was closed. but you can see we're still right in town. Whoa. Hey, you really didn't need to drive that fast through a parking lot. So it may be closed. I'm gonna go in, see if I can grab a beer for the road. And I'll talk to you later. All right. Well, I'm heading out. The hike took almost exactly 4 hours and was pretty much right on the money for 9 miles. Feel good about that. I purchased way too much. I got some unique beers that I can't get in the stores. A Bock and a brown beer for whatever reason they don't have in the stores, and a couple other things. I got a ginger beer because that was we've been talking about ginger beer. Just thought I'd give that a try. And of course I bought too much cheese. That's gonna happen though. So now I'm heading to the train station, which is right over here. And I'm gonna head on back. Thank you for tuning in, Swiss Cheese Trails. We're complete with the second segment. Signing off from Appenzell, Switzerland. We'll tune in for the next segment, segment 3, right here again. But we'll be heading south, and that's gonna be a long one. So let's see what happens the next time we tune in. Thanks for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe.